Hi friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. Today's layout is all about flowers. Flowers are my #1 favorite thing to use in the history of ever. And these I really liked because they're so bright and happy and cheerful. I used some grasslands from Prima Marketing, some Boardwalk Betty. The paper is also Prima Marketing. This is their Pretty Mosaic line. And as you can see, it's a very versatile paper line for different flowers. I'll have links to all of this in my description if you like that. The chipboard is from Scrapaholics. I'm also going to show you some painting techniques with Dylusions ink in the video. Lots of fun stuff. I hope it makes you smile too. So please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell. Let's go make stuff.